Okay, I've got so much to talk about these products right here. So this is the brand new launch from Juvia's Place. This is called the Blush Liquid Blush. And I picked up 2 shades and I can't wait to try them on and test them out for you guys. But, okay, like, I've got to share some tea with you guys. You guys know I'm in Toronto and I just need to share with you guys. There was an issue. All right, this launched, of course, I bought it the day it launched. I wanted a specific shade. I did. You know, I fell in love with this specific shade and I could not get it. It said waitlisted. So I'm like, okay, fine. I will go on the wait list. I go on the wait list and I pick out these 2 shades for you guys and I place my order, pay my $15 shipping, and then 20 minutes later I get an email. Oh, look, the shade you wanted is no longer on the wait list. You can buy it. And I'm like, thank you. Thank you for that. I appreciate that so much. Like, what is up with that? Like, it's just one of those things. This got caught up in logistics at the border. Like, this was just in customs for a little while. And I'm like, thank you. Thank you for that as well. You know, we need this product. We need to film it. And then, of course, they email me, you have to pay duty on this. Another $15. And I'm like, why? I've never had to do that before with Juvia's Place. So that is some tea. I just feel like I need to vent. I need to share that with you guys. But I've got the product right here. I am super excited to try this on and test this out because Juvia's Place is one of those iconic products that is just immaculate. The formula, the pigment, like nothing that I've tried has let me down. So this, a liquid blush for the summer, the springtime, I'm excited for this, like super excited. So all that aside, we are going to try this on, test it out, and you guys know we're going to like just rock it. So let's get into it. So I did pick up 2 peach shades because I'm definitely feeling the peach lately. I love it, you know, spring, summer vibes. So this one is called Soft Tulip, and this is got soft pops of peach in it. So it's very pink, almost like a pinky undertone with a peachy vibe. And then this one, holy smokes, right? The color is just phenomenal. So this one is called Marigold and it is a soft peach. So I'm gonna swatch these on the back of my hand for you guys so you guys can really see this. I do have a scratch on my hand. I have a puppy, you guys know that, little one, and Mr. Muggs, or Muggy. They're growing so fast, it's crazy. Like, they're so cute and beautiful, but she scratched me. Things happen. And this one is Marigold. So these are stunning colors. I'm just going to honestly just buff this out for you guys so you guys can see what that looks like buffed out. Like, that is a beautiful gradient. Like, so if you guys want just a little pop of color, go in with a brush, which we're going to be doing right now. I'm going to show you guys, because if you apply this directly to your face, clown. Yes. Yeah. I've already tested this out for you guys. I do not recommend going in with the dot method and then blending it out with your fingertips. This is way too potent, way too pigmented for that. So we are going to go in and place this on the back of our hand. I'm going to show you guys. There is something I do want to bring to your attention. So I do have this swatched on the back of my hand. I'm going to remove it for you guys, and it's only been on for a second. This is very pigmented and it is going to stain your cheeks for the day. You are not going to lose or have faded blush. This is going to be phenomenal. The formula is amazing, so just keep that in mind. So I've really got to rub hard here to get this off, because that swatch was only on there for like 20 seconds. This is $18 Canadian. There are 12 shades in the collection. They're all absolutely stunning, and I had a really hard time picking just 2 for you guys, but I figured I have so many liquid blushes. I am absolutely adoring those Rare Beauty blushes, but I don't reach for them as often as I should probably. This one I can see reaching for a lot because this is phenomenal. And if you guys haven't already, sign up for Juvia's Place. They email you and they have sales, and then this goes on sale for like probably like $6 or $8. Honestly, like, they have the most iconic sales. You don't want to miss that. Alright, so I'm just going to take a little bit. Honestly, that much right there would do my face, your best friend's face, anyone's face. Like, this could go for like at least 5 or 6 people. Like, that is a lot of product. So I'm not loving the applicator on this. Love the product, just not the applicator. But that is how much you get, so put on sparingly. So I am going to use my Merit brush today. This is an award-winning blush brush, foundation brush. It's technically a foundation brush, but I use it to blend out bronzer, contour, blush. Like, this is just one of those fabulous, phenomenal brushes. And if you guys want the link, it's in the description. So I'm going to actually just pick up just a little bit of this product. I don't want to like dab right into that. And I'm just going to pick it up. You guys can see I only have some on half my brush. I'm going to go into the other side of my hand and we're just going to swirl that around. I don't want it to be too concentrated, so I've only got it really on the one side. So now I'm going to go in and just apply this right here, starting on the apples of my cheeks, working my way to my hairline, just where you would normally put your blush. I'm going to go in with the side that doesn't have much on it and blend out those edges. But the color, you guys can see, that is a phenomenal blush color. Loving that, right? That is everything. Now, I did want Rosy Posy. I wanted it. It's my vibe. I wanted it. Am I going to reorder it? Probably. I'm also going to pick up their foundation because I've got on their foundation right now. I've actually mixed my foundation, the Juvia's Place and the Chanel. I mixed them together to get this look today. Phenomenal. Like, this is just giving me everything, right? The base is just on point today. Like, this is beautiful. So I love that. So I am going to pick up a couple more foundation shades. Super loving this. But the blush, right? The blush is everything today. So I just want to show you guys, I have all of this blush. We didn't use it. We're not going to. I mean, you could go in with a little bit more on the other side. Normally you would. But today I'm going to actually test out a different shade for you guys. But you're still not going to use all of that product. So be careful. Don't put too much on. Alright, so this does look intense in the tube. This is the color Marigold. And I'm just going to apply just like we did before. So I'm just going to apply just a little dot of that color to the back of my hand. Again, we're going to go in with a clean Merit brush. I love this brush because it's the perfect texture for blending and buffing out a blush, a foundation, or like a bronzer, you know, all of it, contour. It's just fabulous. So I'm just going to pick that up on one side of my brush. Again, we just have a little bit on the one side. Same thing. Tap it off on this side because that is intense and we don't want it to be that intense. So I'm just going to rub some of that off. Alright, so I feel like that's still a good amount of product. We're just going to lightly buff this on, starting with the apples of my cheeks and again working my way across my cheekbone. That is pretty. That is a very gorgeous peachy color for the spring summer. If you guys have a tan, if you're darker than I am, if you're chocolate, like this color right there, it's gonna look phenomenal on you. I feel like with my blue undertones, my neutral blue undertones, runs a little bit purple as well. Honestly, like this color, I thought it was going to be really too bright, but I'm living for it, right? It's giving me a vibe. So I feel like I want something that's just a little bit cleaner to buff this out because I don't want it to be super orange. I'm just going to take a clean brush. This one happens to be a 702 from It Cosmetics. And I'm just going to buff out those edges. And if you guys can hear little one, she's all like, I want to be a YouTube star. Put me in the video. So maybe I'll have to. She is sitting there and she's all like, And I'm like, oh my gosh, my heart's melting. I love her so much. Alright, so this is just a gorgeous color. Like, honestly, from this, like that intense, you know, peach. Like, that is as peach as marigold. This is so tangerine looking. Like, it's hard to believe that you're just going to get this beautiful wash of color. Now, you can intensify this. We're going to go in, make this just a little bit more peach. Right? That's gorgeous. Again, I'm going to go in with my clean brush. It's because I want something bigger to buff out this beautiful tangerine color. If you're a redhead, I just thought of this. If you're a redhead, like, you're going to love this shade. Girl, this will be your vibe all summer long. right? They're both peach. This one pulls a bit more pink. This one pulls a bit more peach, but definitely not nearly as intense as it looks when it comes straight out of the tube. So keep that in mind when you're ordering your shades, because they have some really intense dark shades, but of course it's not going to look like that once it's buffed out on your skin. I'm in love with this. Which side do you guys like? The soft tulip or the marigold? Let me know in the comments down below. I love it when you guys write to me. If you guys loved this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you guys don't miss when I drop a new video. This blush would pair amazing with that brand new Pat McGrath bronzer. Check it out right there. Until next time, mwah, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye!